gonna get ready to go to Sugar Factory. I told them if we don't go to Sugar Factory, we are not leaving New York today. So we're getting ready. I'm gonna finish up with my tea and I'm gonna get ready. Something pretty simple, I guess. I'll see. And we're gonna head out. It feels so nice because it's so hot in here. It's nice having the window a little open. Yeah, so I will see you guys soon. See ya. Hey Dazers, so I am all done. I am just waiting for Amina too. There were supposed to be like 4 of us going, but everybody wants to go somewhere different. So right now it's just me and Salamana and Amina too. And Fatiba was supposed to go with us, but I think she's probably doing her own thing somewhere in New York. So yeah, I think it's just gonna be the 3 of us going. We're waiting for Amina too, and we're gonna head out. I am just here chilling before we leave. Where are you going?
Huh?
Where's it at? We just stepped outside. We are on Atlantis Avenue. I need my sunglasses. I don't have my sunglasses.
White bag
Atlantis and Rockaway, right? Rockaway. Say hey, Dazers. Hey.
White bag.
Hey, Dazers. Auntie I, say hey, Dazers.
Hey, Dazers. How are you? I love you.
Where's Salmata going? This is where we are at. We're here waiting for Salamata. Talking about how dirty New York is. No offense, New Yorkers. We are here and I see Sugar Factory. And this Apple store is huge. They steal?
Yeah, AirPods. There's so
really?
Put the AirPods on the back.
We're here. We're gonna go in. Alright, this is how it looks on the inside. I don't know, I feel like we probably wait to get seating, unless if we're getting like little stuff.
No, it says you can sit here. I think what I'm getting.
Okay. No. This is like a kid's dream. I wish that was halal. I wish. We have to wait to be seated? Okay. Oh, Imam would love this. He's all about sugar. I'm gonna have to bring them here when we come here next time, inshallah. And he said, it smells sugar. So much sugar. This is how it looks like. Oh, beautiful. Oh my gosh. It doesn't look good on the camera. But we just got here and we found out that the reason why we're here is actually no cheap reason. Just for this drink, the goblet is $39. And I'm sure they charge tax on it, right? What's the percentage of tax here?
You gotta give them tip.
I mean, actually, you're paying the tip.
You gotta give them tip. This is the ice cream.
So, Mata, which one are you getting? I don't think so. We're gonna get the halal. I just want to get a hot dog. So they're all $39. Wow, wow, wow.
Which flavor you wanna get?
Do they have mango? Mango or pina colada?
Yeah.
Anything pina colada, I am up for it.
Mango or
Are you looking at the prices?
African. Yeah, I look at all the prices.
Come on, I mean, you can afford $20. Come on. This is $20. Come on. Don't be an African.
No, we're not getting that one, Amir. We're not about to spend $100 here today.
Oh, there's my drink. Ooh, look at that. Thank you. Thank you very much. Oh, okay. Thank you so much. Yeah, it smells so delicious. This is huge. I know.
You got me running around this whole place by yourself.
I know. This is huge. I got my drink and I'm so happy. Hey, Salmata. Hey, Aminata. So, we're gonna dig in. Let me try. Hold on.
Where's the, like, to see how good it tastes? Isn't it too close?
It's alright.
Do you want me to do it?
You can't finish it?
No.
I still don't understand how this train, this subway of a Sunday is for 2 people. Cause it has like what? 1, 2, 3, 4.
How much is the camera?
$500. So this has like
If I wasn't on maternity leave, I swear I would get you a camera.
Y'all heard that? I should post this on the group.
If I wasn't on maternity leave until July comes, you will get your camera in July.
Y'all heard that?
Damn, look at the swollen face. Oh my god. Candy make it taste unique too.
Yeah, but I can't get the candy out.
So we're trying to get the candy out.
I'm gonna be African and use my hand when it reaches here.
Guys,
Why is it so stubborn?
struggle. Alright, we're so full on the ice cream and the drink alone. I don't know how people eat
Order
here.
food and
They order food and then they eat the ice cream and all that dessert. It's huge. We can't even finish the dessert. So how are people able to eat here and, have some dessert?
I'm so stubborn.
How? I don't understand. So we're gonna go to the streets and get some halal food, maybe hot dog. What are you getting?
Hot dog.
Okay, so they think I'm crazy. I'm getting hot dog here. I'm getting hot dog because we don't eat hot dog in my house. It's prohibited in my house, so it's not healthy. Yeah, it's not healthy. So I like it when it's like.
I'm stopping.
Okay, you can use your spoon. We're trying to get the candy out of the struggle is real.
I stopped recording because the bus was things stopped. Oh, it's clear here.
We go shopping and we leave. That's it.
Oh, are we really doing this? We're doing this. We're running on the streets of New York.
Oh my god.
We're gonna go see my brother-in-law, and he works at Saint Laurent, Yves Saint Laurent.
This is a limousine.
Oh, wait.
Nice.
This is not a limousine.
I'm not walking in this store looking like this.
Okay. Say hi, Dazers, Uncle GB. We came here to see my brother-in-law. Hey, that's it's been a minute.
How much is it? We're getting a chili hot dog or chili cheese dog.
Africans don't have time.
Oh, somebody get this. Look at that. I miss this. Haven't had a hot dog in ages. You want a bite?
No, I don't like hot dog. It's good. Wait.
Get from top to bottom. Oh, get all the way up there. Heading back home. We didn't get to buy anything, but we got food. And we're at, what's the station? 56th Street? 56. We're at 56. I enjoyed my hot dog.
And it's very hard to survive. I have no family and very little resources as of right now.
Are you kidding me? I just gave $5.
So I'm asking the community, please.
We
not leave until I get me some halal fried chicken here. Let's go, Salmana. And Aminata's too tired, so she's waiting for us over there. I feel bad I dragged her out. She just had a baby. Alright, let's go order some chicken. We're almost home on our street, and we just heard, I saw this church. It's a Nigerian church for sure. I can tell they're speaking Yoruba, and they are blasting music. I'm like, wow, you're worshiping God like this? It's really interesting. I am amazed. Very interesting. But yeah, this is New York. The music is like blasting in the whole neighborhood. Very interesting. But we're almost home. And we're gonna get ready to go to Columbus. Columbus, here we come. Oh. See you soon, inshallah. Right, Salamana?
Yeah.
Thank you for going out with me. I'm so sorry I dragged you out. She just had a baby and I dragged her out. She is like lunchtime. We're about to kill this chappaja. We're about to slay this chappaja.
That's why everybody say you good.
Sali fora no hen.
Hey Dazers, we are back with another shout out box. We got Maysur, Hadif, and Hajia here. Go ahead and shake the box, Maysur. Okay.
Hurry up, hurry up. 1, 2, 3.
All right, close it. Hajia, read the names.
The first one is Maymuna S.
Maymuna S. Oh, Nyuma. That's Nyuma. Nyuma S. Hey, Nyuma. That's my girl. I love you. All right, what's the next name?
The next one is Nasrani.
Hey, that's my cousin. Go cousin. Go cousin. Hey, go cousin. That's my cuz. I love you. Oh my goodness, I love you.
I love you too. I love you.
Make sure stop. I love you isn't supposed to be you. All right.
Nasty. Last but not least is Yaidi.
Yayi. Hey, Yayi. Yayi D. All right. Thank you, girls. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for the support. Love you, girls. All right, go ahead.
Definitely be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you want to shout out, leave your name in the comments below.
Bye, Dazers.
And if you have any video suggestions, leave in the comments.
All right, bye, Dazers.